doesn't work like that. In Islam, you are a minor, and then when you enter the age of puberty, you become someone who's major, or you become an adult. Start from also being kind and helpful at home to your mom and sisters, and to respecting women, whether they are Muslim or non-Muslim, that you meet outside as well. Always try to practice the ghusl of the sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ, and especially for the Friday, because that is one of the sunnah that the Prophet ﷺ did. And know that when you're a young man coming into 13 and 14 and 15, and you're going to be at that age of puberty, which is an adulthood in Islam. No adolescence for us, because before puberty, a child is not held accountable for any wrong deed that he or she does. But after puberty, Allah instructs our angels, the angels, to write the sins that we do. So we have a good, if we are from now